morning. Good morning. Just wanted to show you a couple things I'm doing with Hashflare, and we're looking like we're kind of in a down market right now, potentially going into a bear run. This market's going to recover. Just takes time. It's going that way. We know it's going up. So I've got this 0.052 available to withdraw from my balance in Hashflare, and I would like to withdraw that, but when I go to click withdraw, it says that my account is on hold. And rather than going and reading the FAQ, I'm just going to let you know that if somebody purchases with your link, then your account will be on hold to withdraw for 3 days. If they purchase with a credit card. If they purchase with Bitcoin, no holds. And if you purchase with a credit card, your own hash power, you are going to experience a 2-week hold on your withdrawals. So I've had some people that purchase with credit cards, debit cards, and my account's on hold for another couple days. But I just want to let you guys know, if you see that, don't freak out. And another thing is Hashflare just released this discount code that allows us to get 10% off all the campaigns, and they also dropped their price on SHA-256 Bitcoin mining to 120. What was $220 per terahash about a month ago. So we see 120, which works out to 108 per terahash after the extra 10%. So if there's any good time to buy right now, now is definitely a good time to get your terahash. We are seeing that essentially you're going to at least see your Bitcoin worth a value in a year's contract. Let's just say that. And if you reinvest, you're going to see a lot more. There's no guarantees here, no income claims. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. But yeah, if you guys...
What's going on, guys? All right, today I'm...
Don't want to listen to that. If you guys got any questions, drop a comment in the comment box. I'm going to start to do some more short videos just showing you guys around some of the crypto things that I do. Keeping it easy, keeping it fun, and yeah, keeping it, let's say, coinable, profitable. All right, guys, thanks.